What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Mega Meme Monday. If you're new here, let me explain. Mega Meme Monday is where you guys send in your finest memes on my Discord, and I react to them every Monday. So without further ado, let's get right into it. No. He's back! Must be in the walls. I don't even know at this point. But if you ever see him, let me know. Alright, here we go. No! Why are we starting with this? What was that jump, bro? We went from friggin' Ambites to long yellow. Alright, next up. How to get the anime glasses effect.
How to get the anime glasses effect.
That was... I can't even be mad. That was so good. That was like one of the best Rickrolls I've ever seen. Very nice. Very, very nice. Alright, add one to the Rickroll counter. Who pinged me? What is it with this guy? Like...
Are you going to finish that croissant? I don't feel so good.
He's in a lot of memes. Bro is speaking 10,000 BC. Oh gosh. Bro, how? Okay, let's just keep going. Roses are red. Walls are plaster. 1845. The children are best. Bro, this almost got me. It's because it just says 1845.
Sin City wasn't made.
He walks over to the kitchen to drink something. The person who pushed my wheelchair for 18 years. Oh! Why did it take me so long to get that? Oh my gosh! Bro. Oh my gosh. Look at this photograph. Look at oh my gosh. Skippity doopity. The second I saw the... What? Yes, the meme daddy himself. What do you got?
What, your dad never came back with the milk, you...
I agree.
You listening? Okay. Grass grows, birds fly, sun shines, and brother, the darkness is coming. You need to run.
Pretty sure this guy's actual name's like Skitsy or something like that. Goob Gaga. Man, you know, having this man in your house would just be scary. He's gonna fall off. No! This is just like that one meme with the... That sounded like it hurt. I felt that. See, used to, whenever I was in a bunk bed, we would have like these gate things on the sides. That way you wouldn't fall off the bed. No, Rickroll, obviously. Yes! It's been forever since I've seen this guy. I don't know where this is from. But like I've seen this before. I will not. They prompt the master shift from the
Det borde man jabben gummiworm.
Bro. This is so stupid but so wholesome for some reason. Like, I don't know what it is, but just at the end there. Alright, girl's pocket, half phone. Boy's pocket, phone, keys, drill, controller. Alright, well that's gonna be all the memes for today. I thank you guys for all the amazing memes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Wait, why is everything dark all of a sudden? Wait. Guys? Hello?